This is the first half of the conversion on this Acroloc M10. Originally it had the Fanuc 3000C control, about the size of a small room. Right there. Get out of the light there. That's what used to control it, and I'm doing a full conversion over to Mach 3. New electronics, get rid of those 30-year-old servos, and old analog controls. I'm using the smooth stepper with 2 breakout boards. Right now I've got everything set up except for the X, Y, and Z axes. I'm still waiting on the servos. But I'll run you through what we've got so far. It's down here along the bottom. See you might be able to see now. Tool change buttons to manually change tools. You can also, of course, change them via encode. So I'll give you a little demonstration. Let's pick a tool here. As you can see, it disengages the turret lock, indexes the turret, and it re-engages the turret lock. Of course, it runs in either direction. Alright, there's that. We'll do an encode. M06T 6. As you can see, same thing. Okay, there's that. Right here we've got the 2-speed control. I'm in the process of working on a macro that will automatically select the proper range based on programmed speed. But for now, we've got our manual control and then dummy buttons for that. I've got the factory, or I should say the original Getty's spindle hooked up right now with the original Getty speed control. It does work using the step and direction settings in the VFD on the C11 breakout board. As you can hear it, you can probably see the belt up there spinning. Maybe not. And I can control the speeds based on input. You can hear it ramp up. Now we can change to high range. Sounds a little beefier. So there's that. And of course, last but not least, the coolant. And that's it so far. I'll post another video when I get the rest of the parts hooked up.